everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with, yes you guys, I am so sorry. I am coming along with my 3-year birth anniversary challenge drawing giveaway. There you go. So anyway, so these are all the ladies that I have and gentlemen, and so this is what my list consists of. So I did go back to, if you had commented on my videos, both on my original video and my update video, and these are the people that I have. Again, you had to have a completed project that you created, not what somebody else had created. So that was one of my requirements. And then either a VR or send me a picture via Instagram or email. So anyways, so let me go ahead and cut these. And as I am cutting these, I do want to let you guys know that my son is doing PE outside, so hopefully he doesn't come in and yell like crazy, because he usually does that. So as I am also doing this, I do want to do a update video in regards to what is going on with me. So anyways, many of you guys might question why me and Tree did not do the collab for Mother's Day. So it is, well, it's nothing against Mother's Day. As you guys know, I love my mama, and here comes my son, like I knew. So hold on, you guys. Hopefully he isn't too loud. Anyways, and so I am coming along with what update, right? Sorry you guys, I'm trying to do trying to listen outside and trying to cut these and trying to talk, so that takes a lot of concentration out of me. So I am in the process of moving. Yes, I'm moving again. I still don't have a definite of when. It could be within the next 2 to 3 months. But I decided to do my packing earlier this year. Reason is because the last time the movers, they totally messed everything up. We still can't find certain things, which I'm pretty sure got lost. And I wanted to package my own craft stuff the way I want to. As I am packaging my craft stuff, I am condensing, throwing away stuff, my old stuff that yeah, the stuff that I created, and I don't know what I was thinking when I was creating that. So that's what's going on. I'm trying to send mail that I had wanted to mail out and was just being a big procrastinator, you guys. I am such a big procrastinator, like you guys do not know. So everything's, you know, it's a challenge, because trying to condense stuff that I have is wow. I had bags and boxes of scraps, some of it which had to be thrown away, and I didn't do it. Still, some of it I'm still holding on to it. I'm trying to like cut those scraps as well. So I'm kind of doing a lot at the same time, but I'm kind of glad I'm doing it this way, because you know, I know what I have. And as I'm packing, I'm not labeling everything, because I figure once I start opening stuff, it's gonna be like all new again. So yeah. So if you guys have any tips on what I should scraps, let me know what you guys think. What should I do with my scraps? It's a big challenge. What should I save? Like, I really wanna, I'm at the point where I want to throw stuff away, and as I'm going into my garage now, I'm finding more stuff and more stuff. And oh my goodness, yeah, like I have die cut scraps. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. I might show a video of it, and if you guys are willing to pay the shipping cost, I would love to send it to you. It's good for a first-time scrapper, somebody that's gonna start out with scrapping, or not scrapping, but becoming a crafter. But you guys let me know what you guys think. It's a challenge. It's been kind of like but and then dealing with kids. My kids are still at home doing their distance learning, so last week was, oh my gosh, it was their spring break, and I thought I was gonna be doing a lot more, but it ended up that I had to keep them more entertained than I had imagined. So that was a big challenge there. And yeah, so I am doing all this. I wanted to do a live video. I had to recheck and make sure I'm recording. I wanted to do a live video, but oh my gosh, just circumstances in my life right now are like, oof. So I had cleaned out my desk, and then I always, like, as I am bringing out these boxes, I end up throwing stuff back into my desk. So yeah, it's kind of hard. I'm going through phases that as I touch it, I either throw it away or put it on a keep pile or put it in the giveaway pile. Sometimes watching, I do watch your guys' videos. As I'm watching videos, I'm also trying to condense stuff. The other day I was watching somebody's live, and I was just, it helped me so much. I was Donna and Jelly Bean's sale that I was watching. So that's why I wasn't commenting that much. But yeah, that one helped me out a lot, and I was just throwing stuff away and doing that. And as I thought I was almost finished with a box, somehow they end up accumulating. They keep on multiplying. Maybe that's because I'm actually bringing them out and they're not hidden like I usually do. So please, if you have any suggestions, any tips on what to do with my scraps, or papers, I would really rather just put them in a pile and give them away. What size would you guys recommend that I start throwing away? Because I want to keep everything. Let me see if this is gonna work. No. Let me see if I can find a bigger. Here's the thing. I just dumped everything that was in there right now into a bag. So yeah, I was gonna. There you go. Let me go ahead and shake this up. Good, I'm shaking it up, you guys. And I hope I didn't drop any. So let's see who my winner is. And it is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and do a $25 either a gift card to Amazon or PayPal. It's up to you what you guys want. And hopefully, there you go. I'm shaking it, you guys. So there, let's see who is the winner. And let's see. It is Angelica Crafter's Treats. You are my winner. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you everybody who did a VR. Thank you everybody who supported me. And I just want to thank you all. Either way, if you guys didn't enter, I appreciate you guys, because you guys have supported me so much. I wouldn't have gotten to where I'm at this moment if it wasn't for you guys. Really, really, I know you guys hear this from crafters, and I really feel it in my heart. If it wasn't for you guys, I truly wouldn't have a channel. I don't know, I would have been going crazy by now. But I really appreciate you guys. And for the new subscribers that are coming in, thank you guys for coming along. Hopefully you guys enjoy my channel. And as I'm trying to do, it's kind of hard right now doing videos, but I'm trying to use up my scraps and making entries for challenges. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And Angelica, congratulations. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.